First off, with our Tokyo Bureau Chief Kaori and Enjoji, who has been here tracking the third quarter miss.
Yes, this is a big miss, and the economy contracted by a much bigger margin than what people were expecting. People were expecting a little bit of a moderate recovery in the July to September quarter, but it didn't happen. Down 0.4% quarter on quarter, annualized base minus 1.6%. So this follows that severe contraction in the April to June quarter, which was down more than 7%. So I think the Prime Minister and his team is probably rather confident, I think, in that the delay of the consumption tax hike was a good move. I mean, whether or not it seems almost certain that he's going to make this announcement. People are circling in on Tuesday, and they've already circled in December 14th for the election as he gets ready to dissolve the lower house of parliament, some say as early as later on this week. Overall markets pulling back at the open. Markets down about 1% for the Nikkei 225. Ditto for the topics as well. 17,350 on the Nikkei 225. Remember, we've had a fairly good run in recent weeks and recent days, in particular on this expectation of a delay in the sales tax. Topics is down by 2/3 of 1%, 1391. We had a knee-jerk reaction in the dollar yen on the back of this weaker than expected GDP figure. It went as high as 117, currently trading at 116.70. In terms of the components of the GDP, I think the capex was a big miss, down 0.2%. So corporations started off the year fairly bullish about their capital spending plans, but it hasn't really materialized. Housing investment is down very, very sharply, down 6.7% quarter on quarter. So that's also a standout. Consumption picture is recovering, but it's a very, very slow recovery. Consumption up just 0.4%. So I think that pretty much sums up where we are on the Japanese economy. And if that wasn't enough, we have a lot of events corporate-wise going on in the week as well. This Takata congressional hearing on Thursday, I think, is going to be big news for that company and possibly even Honda as well, that has been involved in this massive recall. Let's take a look at the early movers in Seoul with Jim.